morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I've got me here a Kryptonite that I picked up, I don't know how long ago, but I've got a few locks that I'm coming across and I'm doing them, meaning picking them. And this is a beautiful Kryptonite, got a great deal on it. This is the key. Bidding is so-so. It's not bad. So that's the Kryptonite key. I'm going to set that down there, put this in the old Vice-A-Rooney, and see what we can do about picking this. Okay. Nice. Nice. Alright. Let me use the Bad Bones picks. Probably going to use this one because it's thinner. And let me see if this feels like a 1.2. It'll work, but I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Alrighty now. Alright, let me just get that together. I wonder if this is Easy, or Mr. Easy's voice has come back. I've been having some problems. Oh, there you are! Every time you get on a diet, you lose your voice, huh?
That was easy.
I'm sure it was. Looking good. Alright. Alright, so we got that. I'm going to jump right into this, okay? Alright, here we go. I don't know if this would be better or not. More control. As long as it doesn't bind. Alright. Let me see if I can raise this a little bit. Okay. One. Nice little click there. Two is binding. Alright. Three. Three feels good. Four. Nice. Four. Five. Feels good. And there's 6 pins in there, by the way. I did count the key. 6. There we go. One feels good. Two, nice little click there. Three, nice, nice. Three, four, there. 4, 5 feels good. 6, we'll click on 6. Beginning. That 1. Okay, 1. 2 feels okay. 2 feels good. Nice. 1 on 3. Lost my space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a little bit of movement in my tension wrench. 5, same thing. Felt it move a little bit. And 6. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, sorry about that moving camera. 1 feels good. 2 is binding. Nice. You see that? That's a good one. Yeah. 3. Feels good. 4. No, oh, definitely moved. There's, I was gonna say it doesn't move too much, I don't think, but that was a great movement. Three, I lost where I was. Starting from the rear. Six. Wow, wow, wow. Stay in there. Don't lose my... There. Six. I'm starting from the beginning. One. Very good. Two. Nice little click there. A little move in the white finger. Three feels good. Four. Nice. Nice. That was five. And six. Okay. One feels like it's binding. There we go. Two. Nice click on two. Three feels good. Four. Nice. And I got some movement out of that. How come I can't put 4 or 5? I think that was 4. Going from the back. 6. 5. Okay. From the beginning, there was a nice click on 1. I got some movement out of that. 1. 2. Very nice. 3. Binding. Nice. 4 feels good. 5. Okay. And 6. Nice click there. Little movement. Got a good movement there. I'm about to lose my tension. Hold it in place. Go, come on. Oh, my fingers. All right. From the beginning. 1. I cannot. I'm going to use the bigger end. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I think I lost something. 1, 2. All right, that was 3, 4. 5 feels good. 6. I think I had some pins fall on me. Try it slower. There we go. That was 1. 2 feels good. 3. There. Nice 3. 4. Touched it and I got a click. 5. There we go. 5. 6 feels good. Beginning. When I bent my pick, I think I did. That was 1. That was solid. 2. Cool. 3, that was nice. 4 feels good. 5 feels alright. 6 feels alright. Alright, what am I missing? 1, 2, Gotcha, baby. Ooh, yes, sir, booby. All right, you can say something now, Mr. Easy. I know you can't see, but
That was easy.
yeah, it's got good guy. I like it. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Let's see what they put in kryptonites. Then again, I don't know if this guy worked on this lock or not. So you guys have seen the key. Not too much to talk about there. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Move this out of the way. Get this. I'm gonna move some of this stuff. And just gonna be our next pick here. All right. We have got a Phillips head. Definitely feels like a little Loctite on that. Maybe it's just a brand new lock. Probably just a stock lock. Well, I did feel kind of like spoolish in there, so. Alright, we got this. We got that. Your guess is good as mine. Where that? Oh, there's screws over there. Alright. Leave that open. I need a clipper remover. Let's try this. And if I could just do it as simple look clip. Maybe not. Nope. There we go. All right. Still good. Get my little shim. Okay. No, that ain't good. That ain't good. This'll work. Alright. No problems. Please, no problems. Uh-oh. Had a problem. It's right there, though. Get rid of this. Alright, let me start with this. Take a peek at this. Look at that. 5th pin. And the 6th pin are way up there. I mean, there's no room for movement. Alright. One. Sort of look like the spool. 2. Serrated. 3. Another serrated pin. 4. Serrated with a sharp top there. I guess these are stock pins. Oh, whoa, whoa. And we got another really nice serrated one. And last pin, and another serrated one. I will definitely go over these. Nothing done in here. Nothing into the core. Nope, nope, nope. Alright. This is number 1. It just popped out. Let me get my tweezer. Should use the other ones. This popped out. If you can see number 1 right there. Kind of like to. I'm not going to do that. Okay, number 1. Ain't that fun? Oh God. Alright, let me see if I can twist it down. Now I'm okay. 2, doing this through the camera, it's very difficult for me. Okay, 3 is a spool. And another copper spring. Okay, number 3. Another spool. And another copper spring. Alright, and we got another spool. And another copper spring. All the springs are going to be the same. I'm pretty sure this is what comes. I'm going to lose it. Okay. Should go from the other side, which I'm going to. Number 6. Strong. These springs are pretty good, man. Another spool. And another little copper spring. Last pin. Oh, surprise, surprise. Another spool. And another copper spring. Whoa. Getting lucky. And shoot all over the floor. Nothing has been done to the core or the Bible. Let me get a zoom in there. Okay. This is what we got. A little closer. Bottom pins. Where am I at? There. Is serrated on the top. Another serrated on the top there. Serrated on the top. All serrated. 5 is a standard and 6 is a standard. Top pins. Only standard in there is number 1. And we have a spool, 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 all the way across. All the springs are the same. Yeah, buddy. Oh, thank you for watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. I did it. I picked it. And that's good for me. Alright, guys. Please don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. And I'll see you on the next one. Alright.